In this video, we list top 5 blenders. We talk about details and feature of these blenders. Let's see this video. Number 1. Colux Smoothie Blender and Grinder. 100% digital display programmed panel. 100% most trustworthy kitchen pal. 100% hardened stainless steel blades. 100% safety performance. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. GoWise USA Profescio. 1000 W power motor, 20,000 RPM revolving speed. Blending blade for juice, shakes and smoothies. 1-button auto blend program. Stable die-cast aluminum housing motor base. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. iCock Smoothie Blender. This commercial-grade blender is equipped with a 2.0 peak horsepower, 4 blending presets and adjustable speed control. Comes with an 8-blade stainless steel, 67-ounce high-capacity pitcher. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. ISUN Amory's Commercial Blender. 1200 W powerful 28,000 RPM motor. Cutting speed about 140,000 times per minute. LED Smart One Touch programs. Cups capacity, 135 ounce and 128 ounce. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 5. NutriBullet Pro, 13-piece high-speed blender. High torque power base with powerful 900 watt motor. Patented stainless steel blade design with cyclonic action. Hassle-free cleanup. Breaks down the toughest ingredients including seeds, wheatgrass, and whole fruit. Please check the description for details and best price. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.